is you will tear a little bit, okay?
Okay, how does? Say hi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, don't swing your legs, please. Nice and steady. Don't take long. This ugly ass. Work up your glutes.
Oh.
Okay, that's as bad as it gets. Almost done. Almost done.
Good thing you know.
Okay, now you're going to tear a little bit. When you dab your eyes, don't catch the jewelry in the Kleenex, okay? Because you'll pull it out and I'll have to redo it. So, okay, you can open up.
It's all done.
Okay? Be careful with that Kleenex, okay?
Woo!
Where is it?
Good job.
Yeah.
It's on your nose.
So my nose. Right bleeding.
Ooh! Are you happy now?
Yes.
Easy, huh?
Let's go see her nose.
Good old soap and water, okay? When you hop in the shower, good old soap, just kind of soak around it. Be careful when you dry it off with your towel so you don't catch the towel, so you don't catch the jewelry in the towel. Pull it out. But no rubbing alcohol, no peroxide. Good old soap and water, okay? There you go. You can take another look at it. You did real good.
Good job. Come on over here. Oh, snap. $20.
Thank you, ma'am.
Woohoo! You got it. It looks good though.
Ready?